Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss with you some problems from measures of variation. It's a topic from statistics. First of all, what is variation? A better description of a set of data is given by a measure of central tendency, which we discussed before in my first lecture from statistics. And a measure of variation. Variation is also known as spread or dispersion. Okay. Now the first problem is the heights x centimeter of a group of 82 children are summarized as follows. Okay, and we have to find the mean height and then find this. Here is a formula of mean, which is summation of x minus b divided by n plus b. We have to find the mean value of x, which is here value of b is 130 obviously here, and n is 82, and summation of x minus b is minus 287. So mean value of x is 126.5 centimeter. Now the second step, we have to find this value. So finding this value is here. We know the standard deviation is square of standard deviation is this formula. We can use this formula by for finding this expression. Here we just have to substitute the value of standard deviation from our question and the value of this expression from the question we know, and then we just have to change our sides. Then we can find the value of this expression, which is summation of x minus 3 whole square, which is 409 4090 908.52. Now our second problem. Here a sample of 36 data values x gave this, and summation of x minus 45 whole square is 3089. We have to find the mean and standard deviation of 36 values, and if one extra data value of 29 was added to the sample, then we have to find the standard deviation of all 37 values. Here mean is we have to find the mean uh, by the previous formula we have used in our earlier problem. That is so by using that formula we find the mean is, which is 40.9, and standard deviation is 8.30. We have used the formula of standard deviation here. If a square of standard deviation is this expression, when we find the only SD, then there will be a square root on the right hand side. So that is we used here. And for if n equal 37 and summation of x minus 45 is, then what will be summation of x minus 45, which is minus 164. And here notice that in the second part one extra data value of 29 was added. So summation of x minus 45 will be 45 whole square will be 3089 minus 29 minus 45. Here we have to subtract 45 from 29, because it is a coded data. So when we add extra 29, we have to subtract 45 from 29. So here we get our required value here. Now so the standard deviation will be 8.41. Here problem 3, we are given the ages x years of 150 cars are summarized by this summation of x, summation of x squared this, and summation of x minus x bar whole square, where x bar denotes the mean of x. Then the variance of x will be summation of x square divided by n minus summation of x by n whole square. So that will be 36.76, and variance of x minus x bar will be here we just have to use this formula from for finding this value, summation of x minus x bar whole square, which is 5514. Here we bring a 0 here, we substitute the value 0 here for this. How it becomes 0? There is explanation. Summation of x minus x bar is the sum of deviation from the mean, which is always equal to 0. Okay, so that's our record answer 5514. Now last problem. Here we are given the weights in kilograms of 15 basketball players in each of two squared, and they are given shown below a and b, a squared and b squared. We have to represent this data by drawing a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram with squared a on the left hand side of the diagram and squared b on the right hand side of the diagram. Then we have to find the interquartile range of the weights of the players in squad A, and also if a new player joins squad B, the mean height of the 16 players in squad B is now 93.9 kg. And then we have to find the weight of the new player. Here is we have to divide. We have to show the first up. We will have to show the data in stem and leaf. Here it is a stem and these are leaves. So a squared and a squared b, we can show this following way by stem and leaf method. Okay, here K194, it represents 91 kg for squared A and 94 kg for squared B. I hope you understand. Okay, and for step 2, we have to find the interquartile range for squared A, right? So first we have to rearrange the squared data of squared A from in a from smaller to greater values. So and then we have to divide the quartile, first quartile, second quartile. Here is notice that there is always difference of 3 data. Okay, here 3 data, then this will be first quartile, then 3, this second, then 3, and then third. So Q3 will be 109 and Q1 is 91. Thus you will find the quartile. Okay, now the last problem. In the last problem we have to find the mean. Okay, we have an extra player, so we have to find the sum and then divided by 16. Then the mean was given, which is 93.9. we have to find the weight. So first we let the weight is x, so then sum of weight divided by number of students. Mean was given, so weight of that student will be, extra student will be 103.4 kg. I hope this problem will help you more to understand the topic in statistics, which is measures of variation. And please let me know if you have any difficulty to uh, understand and any topic from statistics. I will try to make that easy for you. Please pay for me and try to subscribe my YouTube channel. Hope you all the best. Thank you everyone.